Laptops are great, but what if a tablet could do the same work while being lighter and more portable? Some tablets today are powerful enough to handle productivity, multitasking, and even creative work. Here are 5 tablets that can actually replace your laptop. The Apple iPad Pro with the M4 chip is easily one of the most powerful tablets available right now. Apple packed this device with the same level of performance you'd expect from many modern laptops. That means tasks like photo editing, video editing, graphic design, and multitasking all run incredibly smoothly. The display is another highlight. The Ultra Retina XDR OLED display delivers incredible brightness, deep blacks, and stunning color accuracy, making it perfect for creators who work with visuals. Whether you're editing content or simply watching videos, the display quality really stands out. Another reason the iPad Pro works as a laptop replacement is its accessory ecosystem. When paired with the Magic Keyboard and Apple Pencil, the tablet becomes a powerful productivity machine. The keyboard provides a laptop-like typing experience, while the Apple Pencil is perfect for drawing, note-taking, and creative workflows. iPadOS also continues to improve multitasking features, allowing multiple apps to run side by side. Overall, the iPad Pro M4 is ideal for users who want a premium tablet that delivers laptop-level performance in a sleek and portable device. If you want to check pricing, the links are in the description below. The Surface Pro 11th edition is one of the few tablets that truly behaves like a traditional laptop because it runs full Windows. That means you can install the same software you'd normally use on a PC, including productivity tools, editing programs, and development software. The device features a powerful processor and enough performance to handle daily work tasks without feeling slow. The high-resolution touchscreen also makes it comfortable for both productivity and entertainment. What makes the Surface Pro especially versatile is its 2-in-1 design. With the detachable keyboard and built-in kickstand, it can easily switch between tablet mode and laptop mode. This makes it useful for writing documents, attending meetings, browsing, or sketching with the Surface Pen. Because it runs Windows, you also get better compatibility with professional software compared to many tablets. Overall, the Surface Pro 11 is perfect for users who want a tablet that feels almost identical to a full laptop experience. If you're interested, check the links in the description below. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is designed for users who want a massive screen and strong multitasking features. The tablet features a large AMOLED display that delivers vibrant colors and deep contrast, making it great for both productivity and media consumption. The large screen size also gives you more room for multitasking, which is especially helpful when running multiple apps at once. Samsung's DeX mode is one of the biggest reasons this tablet can replace a laptop. DeX transforms the tablet interface into a desktop-style environment where you can open apps in Windows, drag files, and work more like you would on a PC. The included S Pen is also a great tool for note-taking, drawing, and productivity tasks. Combined with a keyboard accessory, the Tab S11 Ultra becomes a powerful productivity device. Overall, this tablet is perfect for users who want a large display, strong multitasking, and a desktop-like tablet experience. If you want to explore it further, check the purchase links in the description below. The OnePlus Pad 3 is a great option for people who want a balanced tablet that handles productivity without costing as much as flagship devices. The tablet delivers strong performance for everyday tasks like web browsing, document editing, and media consumption. The display is smooth and responsive, which makes scrolling and multitasking feel very fluid. OnePlus also focuses on a clean and efficient software experience, which helps the tablet run smoothly during daily use. When paired with the keyboard accessory, the Pad 3 becomes much more useful for writing emails, managing documents, and general productivity work. The battery life is also impressive, allowing users to work for long periods without worrying about charging. Overall, the OnePlus Pad 3 is a great option for users who want a capable tablet that can handle work tasks while remaining affordable. If you're interested, check the links in the description below. The Red Magic Astra is designed for users who want a powerful tablet that can handle both productivity and gaming. Red Magic devices are known for their performance-focused design, and this tablet continues that trend. It delivers strong processing power, making it capable of handling demanding apps and multitasking without slowing down. The tablet also features a high refresh rate display, which makes everything from scrolling to gaming feel incredibly smooth. While it's built with gamers in mind, it can still function well as a productivity device when paired with a keyboard accessory. The sleek design and powerful internals make it a unique option compared to traditional productivity tablets. Overall, the Red Magic Astra is ideal for users who want a tablet that can work like a laptop during the day and handle gaming or entertainment afterward. If you want to check pricing, the product links are in the description below. So those were 5 tablets that can realistically replace a laptop for many users. Whether you want a powerful iPad, a Windows-based tablet, or a productivity-focused Android device, there's an option here that fits your workflow. If any of these tablets caught your attention, check the links in the description below. And if you enjoy tech reviews like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.